Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate a powerful workflow using the Gemini command line interface and Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to create a data pipeline. We'll show how a single natural language prompt can read data from a Kafka stream, process it with PySpark, and write it back into a Postgres database. First, let's set up our data source. Here, we're in a Kafka Docker container, starting a console producer. This producer will publish messages to a topic named test topic. We'll manually type in a few messages to simulate a live data stream, which our pipeline will later consume. Now, we switch to the Gemini CLI. We start by using the command /mcp list to see our configured MCP servers. As you can see, we have a PySpark MCP server ready with 3 available tools. Now for the main event. We'll type a simple human-readable instruction. Read from Kafka topic test topic and write into Postgres database. Gemini's AI will interpret this command and map it to the correct tool. While the process is starting, we can even add more data to our Kafka stream. Back in the Gemini CLI, the model has correctly identified the tool to use, write stream to Postgres. It asks us for our confirmation to execute this action. We'll approve it, and Gemini will now trigger the PySpark job to start the streaming process. To verify that our pipeline worked, we'll switch to our Postgres database client. Notice a new table, Kafka Test Topic, has been automatically created in our SparkDB database. Let's run a simple select query on this table. And there it is. The results show all the messages we published to our Kafka topic now successfully stored in our Postgres database. The entire end-to-end stream has been established. In summary, we've just orchestrated a complete PySpark streaming pipeline from Kafka to Postgres using a single natural language command in the Gemini CLI. This demonstrates the incredible power of AI in simplifying complex development and data engineering tasks. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and insights where data engineering meets AI.